Assalamu alaikum. And I was in America for 15 years. I have 2 bachelors and 2 masters on my name. I did my MBA from America. I came here few months ago, but when I was in America, I have attended all the workshops and all numerous. But what I have attended today from past 3 days, it was awesome. It was amazing. I cannot compare what do you call the American spiritual gurus with Sadat Khan sir. It was really amazing because this he went through our culture, our tradition and all, but back, I mean, I cannot say back home in America because this is my home. It was totally different over there. This seems to be very simple to you, but this is what I understood from my little brain. So this is our planet Earth. So two things exist in the world: al-haq and batil. Haq is reality and batil is the people's opinion, their own language world. And if you always keep reality in mind and think of the creator, you will never stop growing, never feel unhappy and dissatisfied. And then always feel content. If someone does good or bad to you, doesn't matter. You have that satisfaction in your heart if you think, if you make al-haq as the standard. But if you go in batil, people opinion, people language, people have thousands of things to say. But if you focus on that, you cannot grow. I'm saying all this confidently because I have faced this thing in my own life. And I never came out of it. This 15 years I was stuck. But alhamdulillah, from this past 3 days, I'm happy, alhamdulillah, I'm content. Now I know what to do. And one more thing, if you keep haq as a standard, then your heart will be relaxed and free. And then you can create a beautiful world around you, which I'm creating from past 3 days. I'm happy with my kids, alhamdulillah. And then you can meet your creator with this, I loved it. If you're so content in this dunya, you know what you're doing is right, you are walking on haq, then you have that thing in your heart, okay fine, one day I'm going to die. One day I'm going to die, and then you will be so eager to meet your creator. But when you go in batil, and when you go in people's words or people thoughts and what sorts of different things, you'll be so fearful and so dissatisfied, discontent in your heart. And then it leads to diseases, worries and unsatisfaction. You are chained with batil and never comes out. You'll never ever come out. And you have to again take the medications and all. You are scared to meet your Lord because you are controlled by your nafs in this dunya. And then, so this is our tongue which we cannot control. And then these are our thoughts. Oh my God, what people are going to talk about me. I was like this from past 15 years. Oh, I cannot come out of my relationship because what people will think about you. I have 3 kids. I cannot come out of the relationship. I have to stay with my husband and die with my husband. What sir have told these 3 days was the exact thing going on in my life. And I took all these depression pills. I was in the hospital and tons of things happened with me. And really, if you are in batil, you land up in hospital. And I landed up in hospital because I couldn't able to come out of this batil. And then this is what I call self-opinion prison. If you are stuck in this dunya and in what people think about you, the language, you'll never ever come out of this prison. And then Satan will be very happy. Yes, I accomplished my goal. Yes. He will be happy. You want to kill him? Then kill your nafs. Control your nafs. So that's what, and this, I love the word what Sadat sir said. Shut up. That's what I'm saying from past 3 days. If I'm getting angry, I'm not hitting my kids. I'm saying shut up to myself. Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, sir. Alhamdulillah. And the personal experience of my life is the outside the box, and this one is inside the box. When my husband was middle class and when he was like poor, no, not poor, he was a middle class, he had sense of realization. He was conscious what he was doing. He was dedicated. He was obedient and he was on time. He was determined. He was down to earth nature, acceptance, submission. He was very helpful. But when money kicks in your life and when he becomes millionaire, he was a very, very sharp and intelligent guy. But when money kicks in your life, then what happened? Then whole story changes. Your attitude changes from us. It was everything us. Our house, our family business, our this thing, our kids, everything was ours, us. No, but many money kicks in. Name, fame, money gets into your life. Your life changes completely. And then from out of the box, you go inside the box here. And I have seen, I've experienced this man was so free. He was out of the box. I was happy. My kids were happy. My family was happy. Everybody was happy. But once he went inside the box, the whole story changes. He became millionaire. He stopped differentiating. Yeah, he started differentiating. Oh, this is right. This is wrong. Blaming others. Blaming me. Blaming, everybody. And then self-justification. What, sir? When sir was explaining, me, meh. Oh, it was the thing was kicking in my mind. Oh, this is exactly what I faced. What I faced in my life. Self-justification. He became mean. And he suffered. Today he's a millionaire, but he is suffering from type 2 diabetic. He has so many diseases. I have seen that when this money and myself kicks in, you get the money, but you lose your life. You lose your health. And no fear of consequences. Thank you so much, sir, that you have mentioned in these 3 days that you are responsible. Okay, fine. If he's not responsible, but he will face the consequences. I'm so content I can sleep peacefully because I know, okay, fine, I'm not going to worry about him. The one sentence of Sadat sir, the sentence, consequences. Men and women will face consequences. That's it. Okay, fine, there is no right and wrong. Okay, fine, I don't care. There is no right and wrong. But you will face the consequences. That's what satisfied my heart. Fine, I don't care what happened to him, but he is going to face the consequences. That's it, khalas. Then why should I worry about him anymore? I don't care now. So he's not worried about no fear of consequences. And the best part is, from human being, he turned into animal and into beast. I have seen this, I have witnessed it. So I just want to share this thing. But this is the fact. I have seen it in my life, and alhamdulillah, I was in depression mode. I took tons of pills. You guys cannot imagine what condition I was in US. Number 1 doctor treated me. I was in the hospital. I was taking tons of pills. But I couldn't able to come out of it. Because I didn't know myself. I don't know what to do with myself. But when sir told me, okay, fine, submit it, submission. Then when I realized, okay, fine, khalas, we have to submit it, accept it, whatever it is. This is your husband, that's it, okay, fine. Now I understood, okay, fine, that is it. He left me, so he left me. I have to move forward now. The thing which I couldn't able to understand from past 1 year, he explained me in these 3 days. 3 days. Accept it. Accept the reality. What I made it clear. Okay, this is right. This you have to accept it. This you have to accept it. Alhamdulillah, I explored so much in these 3 days. Alhamdulillah. Thank you so much, Sada sir. I really appreciate it. Thank you.